AI is the #1 workforce development skill, and we want our youth in Iowa and across the country to be beyond ready and be ready for those skills through AI. Iowa 4-H is looking at how we can use AI, how we can implement it into STEM programming, how we can utilize it in animal science programming, and even leadership. We just want to be able to give the kids the opportunities to explore that and be ready for the future and where that technology is going to be, because it's such a fast pace right now that something that happened yesterday is already changing from today. Youth that are going to be joining us today, they're going to create their own music using AI and coding skills, but then also can we spot what is AI and what is not?
Because AI is becoming increasingly more prevalent in society, I think as young people, it's our responsibility to have an understanding of AI so we can create the regulations and make sure that AI is being used safely and effectively.
I would love to learn more about how AI works, how it grows, and how it develops, and how it can continue to help us in the future as it keeps developing.
I think the AI part of it was really fun. I think that we got to really learn kind of the baseline of AI and how to expand onto it, some of the fun things.
I love that 4-H has so many opportunities to talk to so many different people of all ages. You can really learn how to be a leader and a servant at the same time.
I think 4-H is a really good thing for collaborating with people, and also it's really good for competitions. They've helped me learn a lot, and I've had a lot of fun in those competitions as well.
The competitions like the National 4-H AI and Agriculture competition have given me opportunities to showcase my AI projects and gain inspiration from others, and also talk to people like Alexa at the State Science Fair as well to gain feedback.
AI will help me be beyond ready for my future.